If you truly want to grow spiritually, there are essential tests you must pass. These challenges aren't meant to break you, but to refine you. They act as stepping stones on your path to enlightenment, teaching you valuable lessons about yourself and the universe. The first test is about surrender and letting go. This is more than it sounds, and is a vital part of spiritual and personal growth. Those who have mastered this test have more fulfilling lives and can live as a more authentic self. Think of our attachments like a tree's leaves. They provide comfort and shade, but too many can restrict growth. Letting go isn't about ripping them all off, but allowing the natural cycle to take its course. Just like the tree, we must shed the things that no longer serve us to make way for new possibilities. Letting go can be challenging. It might feel like a caterpillar facing its metamorphosis, but remember, the struggle is only temporary. On the other side awaits transformation, a lightness of being and the ability to fly. Spiritual philosophies like Buddhism and Stoicism teach us that letting go isn't about losing control. It's about surrendering to the flow, trusting the universe, and embracing the interconnectedness of all things. This quote by Eckhart sums it up nicely by stating, letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means accepting what is. Letting go allows us to reevaluate what truly defines us. It's not the things we hold on to, but the space we create within ourselves that fosters growth and resilience. This journey of letting go is a continuous process. It's about embracing the cycle of nature and understanding that growth and detachment go hand in hand. This is just the beginning of a transformative adventure. After you've passed the test of surrender, the next vital test is one of patience. We live in a world obsessed with instant gratification. We crave quick results, same-day delivery, and the dopamine rush of a like on social media. But true growth often resides in a different realm, the realm of patience. Patience isn't just about waiting, it's about reframing waiting as a profound test, a chance to cultivate inner peace amidst uncertainty. It's like watching a lily pad unfold, a process that takes time but reveals exquisite beauty in its own right. Delays are inevitable, but instead of frustration, view them as opportunities for growth. Just like a seed needs time to break through the tough soil, so too do we need time to develop our potential. Patience isn't passive. It's actively finding contentment in the present moment. It's about focusing on your breath in yoga, appreciating the taste of your food, or noticing the smile of a stranger. This quote by Lao Tzu fits here as it underscores that everything has its place and time. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu. Investing in the present is an investment in the future. Each moment of patience strengthens your resolve and builds the foundation for your future endeavors. Just like a long journey begins with a single step, so too does your path to success. Waiting isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey itself, the process of becoming. Imagine a majestic skyscraper. Years of planning and construction go into its creation. Similarly, patience shapes you into a stronger, more resilient version of yourself. The beauty of progress is often found in the quiet moments of waiting. It's not about the dramatic transformation, but the subtle changes that happen inside you. Think of a butterfly, patiently waiting within its chrysalis, slowly transforming into a creature of stunning beauty. For patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Maya Angelou. Patience is a key ingredient in achieving your goals. It allows you to appreciate the value of hard work and dedication. Patience is the fire that tempers the steel, making it strong and resilient. Patience isn't rejecting the fast-paced world we live in, it's about finding pockets of calm within it. It's about understanding that true growth unfolds with time, dedication, and a willingness to embrace the journey itself. Lastly, we come to the final test, the test of faith. When we talk about faith, it doesn't always mean religious faith, but faith in what you truly believe in. For life is a voyage, and just like any voyage at sea, it's not always smooth sailing. We will encounter storms, challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's during these times that our faith is truly tested. Imagine yourself as the captain of that sailboat. The storm represents life's difficulties, but your faith is the steady hand on the tiller, keeping you focused and determined. You may not know it, but you can act as a role model for others around you, showing what is truly possible. The quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson shows that you sometimes need to make your own destiny. Do not go where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Challenges are not punishments. They are opportunities for growth, pushing us to adapt, innovate, and become stronger versions of ourselves. They are like the pressures that transform a lump of coal into a sparkling diamond. Faith isn't blind optimism, it's a belief in your own inner strength and the inherent goodness of the universe. It's trusting that even in darkness, there is always the potential for transformation. Just as the butterfly emerges from the darkness of its chrysalis, so too can we find a renewed sense of purpose after overcoming adversity. Think of climbing a mountain. The path may be arduous, but the view from the summit is breathtaking. Challenges are like those climbs. They test our faith, but the rewards of resilience and wisdom are worth the struggle. Everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way. Viktor Frankl. Challenges can shake us, but they can't break us. We can choose to dance in the rain instead of letting it dampen our spirits. We can choose to find joy amidst hardship. This is the essence of faith, the ability to find light even in the darkest of times. Faith isn't just a personal journey, it's about becoming a beacon of light for others. By overcoming our own challenges, we inspire those around us to do the same. We become living testaments to the power of faith and resilience. The seas may calm and the storms may pass, but the lessons learned during the journey remain. Embrace the test of faith, for it is through these trials that we evolve, becoming stronger, wiser, and more connected to the universe itself. If the challenges of surrender, patience, and faith resonated with you, then you're on the right path to spiritual growth. Remember, these tests aren't meant to be barriers, but stepping stones. Embrace them, learn from them, and watch yourself transform. Share this video with those on a similar journey. Together we can create a community of light, supporting each other as we navigate life's tests and grow spiritually. Have a beautiful day, and until next time,